Hello, my name is Gabriel, and today I am going to talk about a place I like to go on vacation. One of my favorite places to visit is Cusco in Peru. I usually go there during the dry season, which is from May to September, um, because the weather is sunny and perfect for sightseeing. If you travel during the rainy season, it can be difficult to hike or enjoy the outdoor places. Cusco is a historic city located in the Andes Mountains. If you like history and culture, it's a great place to explore. You can visit Machu Picchu, Sacsayhuamán, and many beautiful churches and museums. When I go there, I usually take a plane for Lima and then a taxi or a bus around the city. One of the best things about Cusco is the food. I love eating cuy chactado, fried guinea pig, and ají de gallina. There are also a lot of small cafes where you can drink coca tea, and that helps with altitude sickness. If you like nature, you can also hike to the Rainbow Mountains or visit the Sakura. I recommend taking comfortable shoes and drinking a lot of water. I like Cusco because it has a mix of culture, history, and nature. Every time I go there, I feel like I am learning something new and meeting interesting people. When I go to Cusco, I always take a lot of photos and buy handmade souvenirs for my family. So if you ever travel to Peru, I really suggest visiting Cusco and you won't regret it. Thank you for listening. Bye.